Welcome to the Hakko FX888D soldering station unboxing. Let's look around the box, how it looks like. It has quite nice graphics, and it came in a bigger box which I already threw away. Let's see this side. And what does it say on the label? Nothing major. Actually, that was 2019 06 24s. And there is two different stations. One is the silver and the blue and yellow. I got myself the blue and yellow. So I would say let's look inside the box. Why I got myself the Hakko? Because our technician who used to work with us for a long time loved his Hakko. So although I'm not as good in soldering and everything else, but I thought to myself, I need a gold soldering station. So these are the things inside the box: the packing list, the station, the soldering iron holder with a cleaning sponge, and an instruction manual. And I guess we're holding the instruction manual. So who reads an instruction manual nowadays? If you can look it up online. So let's see what's inside the box. On this side, we've got the soldering iron. Ooh, let us move slowly. So here is the holder. Beautiful. So, and it's kind of is all metal. So all the parts of the holder are metal, except the bottom and these rubbers here. So this is, I think, going to last for a very long time. These bits here are also these can be used to clean the iron, and this is where the sponge goes. Oh, sorry, the metal sponge goes in, and here is the space for the sponge. It's beautifully designed with the Hakko logo. Let's go for the iron. Soldering iron. Let's see. So this here, have a look. This is the FX888D 26 volt, 65 watt, ESO or ESD safe Hakko soldering iron. This is how it looks. Let me hold it. The cable, I bet it's silicone, so it will never ever crack or make away. Let me just take this off. This is how the connector looks like. You can buy the soldering irons separately, so actually you can upgrade this soldering station anytime in the future with a different iron. So this is how this looks. I think this is definitely long enough. If I remember correctly, it's about 1.5 meters long, the cable. Let me just open this up. And yeah, it's maybe a meter. It's like not 1.5 meters, but that's long enough. And look at it, how nice the rubber is. Let's see if this will never break. Okay, let's put this in its place here. Fits nicely. And what else is in the box? It should be the station itself. What's in here? So here's the sponge and so the cleaning wire. That's called a cleaning wire. The cleaning wire goes, let me show you, in here. It's quite convenient. Put it in there. Nice. So you can clean your Hakko conveniently anytime. Cool. So, see, you can clean the iron off here. There's a bit of silicone in there. as well. And this is where the sponge is going to go. Let me find it. Well, probably the next one. No, the next one is the sponge. So the sponge, cleaning sponge. So it's made in China and from Hakko. Let's put it in there. It goes and fits obviously quite nicely in there. So you can just clean it off here, or put it in there and pull the thing off there. So, and the station itself reveals very soon. Wow, this is like heavy duty. Although the outside is in this case plastic. So this is the bottom. It says 70 watt, 50 hertz, 230 volts. And this is the model number FX888D 17BY. Again, the wire is very sturdy but flexible, so it will never break. Hakko on the top. That's the right hand side. This is how it looks from the front. 2 buttons, up and enter. It has a number of functions which you can find out about, I guess, in different videos. I may do a video later on and link it here. But so far what I've seen is it actually is a little bit of a learning curve. But after that you can easily use it. So here is the UK adapter. I guess if you live in a different country you can just change the adapter here, so that can become a European one or a US one. So that's the UK plug. It's not the adapter, it's a plug. I will not untangle this, but this is roughly 1.5 meters. I know I said to the other one it was 1.5 meters, meter or 1.5 meters. Let's put it on here. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. That's it. So let's just have all of these back in this box so we don't lose anything. Why should we? And then put the box to the side and have a final look at the Hakko. Actually, why not put it on top of the box so it looks quite nice and tidy with the name on it. Mr. Q over there, the yellow mouse, is our actually emblematic leader of this company, and this comes in yellow and blue and silver as well, but we went for the yellow and blue for a reason. So this comes over here. This is how the Hakko is looking like. Let me just plug this one in here. So this is the plug, and it nicely plugs in there only one way. Let me see. I probably need both of my hands. Yes, I'm a right-handed version, so I'll probably have this configuration like this. So this is the Hakko FX888D soldering station. I take you around the soldering station. I think you probably have seen everything now. This should conclude this unboxing video. Where are you, Mr. Q? Oh, you fell off. Let's come over here. I hope that, oh, actually, here is the instruction manual and the warranty paper as well. So this is everything in the box except the yellow mouse with Mr. Q. And all these wires are waiting for getting soldered with this beautiful new equipment. And just a final thing, I also got myself some more tips. That's the T18B. You see it? Now you can. This is the T18B, and this one here, over here, is the T18C2. So, without any further ado, the Hakko, ladies and gentlemen, Hakko FX888D.